What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently we're sitting at 191. We're down about 0.4 on the day. Ethereum has broken out here. We're sitting at a market cap of 12.91 billion. 24-hour volume 906 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card you have, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been exploding for free just for signing up through my referral. So I talked about Ethereum possibly coming underneath our all-time high and seeing more of a correction, but I said it was more likely, in my opinion, that we bounce off the all-time high and the 20 EMA, and that's exactly what has happened here. Now, if we zoom in on the 1 hour time frame, we do have a bearish divergence. So we're creating higher highs here while creating lower highs on the RSI, signifying to us that the bulls may be losing strength here. So here's a 4 hour time frame. So I would watch the EMAs. You can see here we get a little bit overextended, we come back down to the EMAs, a little bit overextended, back down to the 55, a little bit overextended, back down to the 55. So we're a little bit overextended once again, so we may see that fall back down to the 55, and that's when we may see Matic catch up. Maybe not, you know, we might have some sell off for Ethereum, and then Matic will sell off a little bit too and create a double bottom here. As we know with Matic, sometimes it likes to go to sleep. So hopefully that's not the case. Bitcoin dominance has been rising here, which means more money is going into Bitcoin and usually Ethereum as well, and less into the alts. And when we see that start to fall, we see the alts really start to break out here. So I would watch 181 for Matic. We have hit two of our buy zones, so our average price is currently sitting at 189, very close to the current price here. So if we come down, we create that double bottom, could give us a beautiful opportunity to break out. And then if we just break out from this level here, do watch 196 and our previous all-time high, this wick here, or sorry guys, our previous high for Matic coming at about 222. We have all our larger bullish patterns, our bull flag, we have our cup in handles, broken the neckline, we're holding the support of the 20 EMA on the daily, we have this falling wedge. So we're looking really bullish in my opinion. We just really need to break the 0.786 coming in at 206. We break that, really healthy sign that we're not going to see any further correction and we're going to see continuation up to these price targets. I do think that's the higher likelihood that we hold the 20 EMA as support and see continuation for Matic. And we're well on our way to our price targets here, the 1.272 at 405. And then we may see a bit of correction, and then we have our bull run target up at about 677 for Matic. We just have to be a little bit patient right now and wait for the breakout. Hope Matic doesn't stay asleep for too long here, but you can see it with the other coins. ADA is a strong project. Solana went through a bit of correction. And as we know for Matic, sometimes Ethereum will break out quite a bit and Matic will stay a bit dormant before it sees its breakout here. Hopefully it breaks out soon. Of course, I would love to see it. One of my favorite projects, but I'm very bullish on Matic with all these patterns, with all the partnerships that are continuing on the platform. It's one of the best projects in the crypto space, in my opinion. So that's basically it for Matic. Do watch 181 as support. If we were to lose that, I don't think it's likely. We have our next buy zone at 169. We come up and break 196, 222, and then we can head up to our next target here based off our fib, which is basically the all-time high at about 281 for Matic. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. Let me just open it up. It's a little private conversation. We have our friend WTE, who's just started to post. Incredible trader. Really solid technical analysis. I'm posting chart patterns. Many members are posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Over 1,000 members. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys. Much love. Take care.